What's good everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt Powell, and today we got a quick one. We're going to be opening up the Amaran P60c. This is just another addition to my setup. This is going to make all these videos even better from now on. So let's see what's inside it. Let's go. First up we see this grid, followed by a case filled with a softbox. I like how it has its own package. And now for the main device. Let's take a look. Let's cut this guy off, and now we can take a quick look inside. This is going to be my third Amaran light that I purchased from them, and these are already perfect additions to my setup. First thing is this power brick, this cable, and this aluminum universal connector. And now for the main light fixture. I really love how everything has its own spot. On the bottom here looks like you got some of the boring stuff. Looks like we got some stickers and some instruction guides. Now let's take this guy out. This elastic band here helps it from moving around, which is really nice. And here we are. What I like about it already is how compact it is. It looks really cool. This thing feels not too heavy. I think it's rated at about 4 pounds, maybe a little over that. It looks like you can add 2 of the batteries here for mobile use. I really like that feature. Since I've already gone through these buttons on another device made by Amaran, we don't have to go through that right now, but these are the buttons. You can go ahead and check that other video. Timecodes will be provided. I think it's about time we plug this guy in. You're going to have a lock on the plug here and on the connector here. For demonstration purposes, we'll be connecting this now, and if we turn it on its side, we can see other connection threads. Alright, so we have this guy on. We can see the intensity on the top left and the temperature on the bottom left. And of course, use the knobs to change your settings. You can also see how much power you got on the top right. Now let's see how bright this thing can get. Here are some of its main features. I'd say buy this product if you're always on the move, and if you want something beefier than, let's say, the Aputure MC that we previously unboxed on the channel. And now to quickly go through the menu. Again, if you want a run through of this whole menu, go to our previous video where we unboxed the F22X. And finally, let's run through the quality of the color output.
And remember guys, a giveaway is happening right now where you can win $20. 3 people will be chosen when this channel gets to 2,000 subs. Help me get there and let's see who wins.
We of course got to connect it to the Sidus link app, so let's do that right now. All you gotta do is hit that plus button there, hit new fixture. It should pop up automatically once you have it turned on. Make sure your Bluetooth is on, of course. Let it sync up, and you're done. It should be added to your little scene here, and of course with any other device that you might have added on previously. But the best part of it all is that you can control everything simultaneously with this scene. Let's not forget to add this thing on. At each corner you're going to see these guys, so just make sure you connect them. On each corner you'll find a strap, and just pull it over each corner of the light. Along the edges you'll find a flap to prevent any light spillage. Just align this like this. And now let's turn this guy back on. I'll most likely be using this with the softbox on. And just so we can see how it looks, let's add on the grid. You'll find some Velcro along the softbox and on the grid, so just connect it here. And finally, this is what it looks like turned on. Alright guys, so here is my lighting setup currently. I installed this railing on top and connected both of my Amaran lights on top as well. There's this new light right there, which is a perfect addition. Previously I've had the F22c attached to this long pole right there, but I didn't like it, so we rearranged it, and this is the new setup. So here's a little close-up of how this looks. The railing just needs an outlet on top so I can remove these dangling wires. But other than that, this thing is good to go. And as I've said before, this was a quick little video. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that noti bell to know when I upload next. Peace.